Hi everyone! You won't believe how groundbreaking this tool is. You'll be mind blown. I certainly was. You can now create consistent video characters. Yes, you heard me right. Wow! Let's just dive in. Okay, link is in the description, so no worries. Just choose Create Video and describe your prompt. Click on Generate. It's literally it. But to get consistent characters, here are the prompts. As you can see, I always write a beautiful girl and then I chose the other settings. It's just that. Don't you love the results? Well, I'm head over heels with them. This tool is really incredible. It renders the best AI video I've come across. So, check out the quick, easy tutorial in depth, and you will be stunned by the results. You can create videos and photos. Really, really amazing. Check it out. So, like and subscribe, please, so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for your projects. Thanks for watching. Bye. But for now...